Promoting an environment of innovation and change is really, really important to us. In order to do that, one of our core philosophies of this company is we scale through technology, not bodies. Now, you always need people, as you grow and expand, you always need to hire people. But there's a difference between people and bodies. Bodies come in and they push the same button day over day, week over week. And we want people. We want people who say, hey, I'm pushing this button a lot. How do I push this button a lot less?
What really excites me about coming in every day to Updater is the fact that I could express myself in the engineering team. Each one of us could have a separate R&D project which we work on, which we're really passionate about, and in our own way contribute to the product itself.
So what brought me to Updater, as far as the job itself, it was an opportunity to build a new team and a technology stack from scratch. There are few times in an engineer's career where you have the opportunity to do something like that.
Here at Updater, we are a very transparent culture. We talk about everything, the strategy, and we want engineers who are going to align to that strategy and are going to want to drive to impact the customer and actually help hit the goals.
Millions of Americans move every year, and that's a super stressful time for them. I'm excited to continue to improve that experience and make it better for everyone.
I think Updater is the best positioned to solve this problem. We can understand all aspects of the experience of the mover and the ecosystem around them.
Although we use tools like Slack and GitHub to communicate and work, it's really, really important that we turn and talk to each other. And we like to do that in real time. We prefer that people get up, they solve the problem, and they talk it out. And then we're looking at the problem as simply that. It's just a problem to be solved. And we're gonna scour the landscape and we're gonna find the best tool to solve that problem.
Aside from solving the pain of moving, I was really attracted by the forward-thinking mentality of the engineering team here. I had the opportunity when I joined to rebuild the data integration platform using modern techniques, and we're constantly pushing each other to vet new technologies all the time.
Well, when Updater first came across my radar, I didn't actually know a whole lot about the company. Consequently, I started to do my research, and the more I dug into it, the more I started to like what I discovered. So for example, knowing that Updater was ranked as one of the best places to work in New York City was very appealing to me.
What excites me about coming to work every day is that honestly I've never had a day where I wasn't excited to come to work in the 3 years that I've been here. And mainly that's because I feel like we're part of a family here. We have really good banter and kind of fun, humorous situations happening every day.
At the time I didn't know anything about Relotech or that Relotech was a thing. But I met the team and I really fell in love with this Updater family sort of concept. These people are great and they're the reason I'm here.
People always ask me what excites me the most about the future of Updater, but really it's actually the people. It's actually the people here. It's about creating a place that you absolutely love to come to work every day. A lot of people, they come from other companies and they're saying, hey, it changed. And so what really excites me is to continue these hiring principles and this culture that we've developed into the future. So as we scale, as we grow, people still love working here.